process starts with the first phone call into the office. Whoever answers the call is going to find out a little bit more about the project and determine whether we might be a fit. If they are, they're going to ultimately talk to me, at which point I'm going to try and find out more about the project and the problems they're trying to solve and what they're looking for in a contractor to determine whether or not a meeting at the house is appropriate. If we could potentially be the right contractor for the project, we'll have a meeting at the house, at which point I'm going to dig into what are the problems they're trying to solve, so that we can explore how our system might benefit them in exploring alternative options before we take it to completion. If at the end of that meeting, both parties think that it's worth continuing the conversation, we'll have another meeting at the office, at which point we go back through what I took away from the first meeting and walk them through the process of how we go from these initial conversations to develop our design options for their consideration, which include both two-dimensional and three-dimensional drawings, as well as interactive 3D models. We'll then take them through from there to how we manage the construction, and then we'll share references for them to talk to as they evaluate whether or not they want to take the next step. If at that point, following the second meeting, we're a good fit, then we would move into the design process, which is initiated with the signing of a project development agreement. We take a retainer and start putting thoughts on paper. I will come back, sit down with the clients, enjoy the space that has been created, get their thoughts in the space, but that's where we would review, close out the project, and get their feedback on the experience. The feedback we get allows us to refine our approach to projects to make it better and better for our clients.